Hey everybody, so I have this piece of cedar laying around my job site and I was thinking to build something quick and easy. So let's go over there and let's build small easy lamp. It's been used as storage for other pieces. So first what I want to do, I'll cut 4 pieces of 16 inches long. So and now what I want to do, I'll take those 4 pieces and I'll cut 45 on each side. So and now when we have all 4 pieces cut on one side, the 45, we'll cut it on the other side. But I realized that my board, it's a little bit too wide, it's 7¼ so I'll set up my table for 6 inch and cut the other side of the wood. And now, before we start gluing everything together, the fun part will come. Let's go to miter saw and I'll show you what we're gonna do. So what I want to do first, I would like to mark them so I'm not messing it up, because we will be cutting it all of them in half. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now what I'm gonna do, I will measure from one corner 2 inches and then from opposite corner 2 inches and make the line and then offset it by ½ inch. So and then when all of them are marked, take it to the miter saw and I find out that 6½ degree angle. And now we have to take all our pieces and sand them down. I'll be using 120 grit sandpaper. The wood is very soft, so that should work very well. Just while you're sanding, don't erase your numbers or remark it somewhere else, because then it will be very hard for you to put it all together. So remark it somewhere else so you remember which one is which. So all the pieces are sanded down. I still keeping marks which wood is wood, so I remember later for putting it all together. Let's start gluing it. I'll just use wood glue and tape to hold it all together. So now I have all of them glued and ready to be put together. But what we have to do one more. We have to cut from the same wood square 4x4. Because this last piece which we cut, it's for our base for the lamp. So as I am putting everything together, I changed the idea a little bit. So let's cut one more piece 4.5 by 4.5 and I'll show you what is the plan. I brought a nail gun and now I'll glue and nail 3 pieces of the wood. One will stay loose and the same thing I'll do on the top and keep one without nailing it. We didn't attach this one just for one reason, because I want to use magnets to the one of them will be magnetic, so you can remove it, put your lights in, exchanges battery in your light, or if you later want to put LEDs or anything, so it will be for that. So one will be removable. So let's go install the magnet and let's finish it up. It's kind of all set. We have magnets, which is great, but one thing are missing and it's the light. Let's go get them. So I think so the lamp came up very nicely. I like the design, I like the sleek look, the magnetic piece of wood which it's removable and it's very easy to access it. And you can do LED, you can do battery powered light, you can choose anything you want from now on. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment or share the video with others. Thank you for watching and I will see you in another build. Take care.